Hey guys, Disney Collector here with Dusty, this radio control plane called Wing Control. This Dusty has over 40 phrases and sounds. With this toy, you're the flight controller, so let's check out how it works. So this is the plane, and this is the remote control. We're gonna need 2 AAA batteries for the remote, and 4 AA batteries for the plane. This Dusty is full of plastic stickers. Right here is the on-off switch.
My name is Dusty. Gotta get up to the jet stream!
Since this plane is motion activated, you're gonna place the remote control wing on your right hand so you can control him.
Full power! Pull up! Out of my way, rip flinger! Whoa! This is Dusty calling Crophopper Junction. Over. This is Crophopper 7. Do you read? Full power! Pull up! Pull up! Out of my way, rip flinger! Whoa! This is Dusty calling Crophopper Junction. Over.
Well, before anything else, I should let you know that this is not a flying toy.
Where is that aircraft carrier? You ready to lose? Ready to take off? Whoa! Wrong way! Gotta get off the jet stream! Wow! Out of my way, rip flinger! Right, left. All right! Whoa! Full power! Ready, bank, right. Look down. Hey, I see the finish line. Look, I am more than just a crop duster.